How to add EJIT link card to Apple Wallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll be discussing about how to add EJIT link card to Apple Wallet. So first thing first, just head over to your Apple Wallet, and once inside you just tap on this plus icon at the top, and here you can see there are different options. Just first tap on this transit card over here and simply search in for EJIT link card, and if you can't find it from over here, just head over to this debit and credit card section over here and simply search in for the EZ link card. And if you can't still find that, then there will be a button at the debit or credit card section below. As you can see, currently it's not showing for me because I haven't added any card over here. So once you scroll down all the way after heading over to debit and credit card section, there you should find the button to add a different card manually, and you can basically enter the card detail after tapping on the card, such as your name on the card and your card number. And once you do all of that, you should be successfully able to add EZ link card on your Apple Wallet. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.